Psychology says a strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation, doesn't always need togetherness. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends will never part. Most people hate their own voice on video or on a phone call. When you fully trust someone, without any doubt, you finally get one of two results: a person for life or a lesson for life. When you're single, all you see is happy couples. When you're committed, all you see is happy singles. A man who wants to make a relationship work will move mountains to keep the woman he loves. No one's freakier than a drunk woman who's in love with you. When a man hates himself, he takes it out on the woman who loves him. Always remember this: a great relationship is where yesterday's fight doesn't affect today's communication. Maturity is when you love someone deeply, but you don't pressurize them to love you back. Being able to instantly respond with sarcasm to a silly question is a sign of a healthy brain.
When you find a queen, love and protect her.
Don't reshuffle your cards because you might end up picking a joker. Psychology says women get to a point in their life where it's not about sex anymore. It's about having a real man to love, trust, and have her back. No one in this world is pure and perfect. If you avoid people for their little mistakes, you will always be alone. So judge less and love more. If you knew how many men she turned down just to be with you, you would treat her better. 1 minute of anger can weaken the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. How amazing is it to find someone who wants to hear about all the hings that go on in your head? A safe man comes into your life and loves you correctly. When you meet someone who tries their hardest to stick by you, regardless of how difficult you are, keep them. Keep them at all costs, because finding someone who cares enough to live past your flaws isn't something that happens every day. A girl is happiest when she knows you make her a priority in front of everyone every time. A true man does not need to romance a different girl every night. A true man romances the same girl for the rest of his life.
Men and women who listen to similar music tend to be better communicators and have longer-lasting relationships.
Psychology says that women who do very little makeup are considered to have good character. Couples who watch romantic comedies together on a regular basis are known to show vast improvement in intimacy. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting information, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.